If you could have coffee or tea with any historical figure, who would you choose? And why?
And why? Well, two came to mind. I would say for someone living, I would go with Elon Musk. I find him intriguing. A very brilliant man. And he, as I'm sure you know, has Asperger's, and my son has Asperger's. So just from that angle, you know, hearing about like what he overcame, how he overcame it, and just his goals. And, you know, as quirky as he is, I have an appreciation for him and his goals in mind. And then for, we'll say, someone that is no longer living, I would probably go with Einstein, just as a brilliant man as well, and just to pick his mind, things he wishes that he would have done differently, that he never got to accomplish, some of his findings that, you know, we never knew about and might, you know, ultimately continue to change the world as it has. So those are two that come to mind there.
Very scientific angle, right? Very
logical thinking there.